Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to request your personal data on the Viber app using your phone. This process allows you to access all the information Viber has stored about your account, messages, and activity. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings to access your app's configuration options. After that, tap on Privacy to access your privacy controls. Next, scroll down and select Personal Data. After that, you will see the option to request your data. Click on this option and then tap on Continue to proceed. Next, confirm your request by clicking on Confirm. Viber will then send a message to your app when your data is ready to download. It may take the same day to receive the data, so be patient and check your messages regularly. Finally, once you receive the message from Viber, follow the link provided to download your personal data securely to your device. Make sure to store it safely for future reference. This process ensures that you have full access to all the information Viber holds about your account.